Hi there guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to take out your background from a green screen shot. So we're going to start off in Premiere. This is where we're going to do our editing. So I'm just going to get my footage and drag it down into the project box down here. There we can see I've got my green screen footage. I'm going to drag it over to the timeline. I don't want the audio on this, so I'm going to go on, click unlink, and then I can delete the audio. Now I'm just going to cut off the start of this about there. So I scrub along till I find the right spot, then I take the raise tool and click C or hit this button over here. If you click on the line, we'll delete that, and then go to the end and find where I want to cut out the end. So I want to cut about there. Then go back on select tool, just go select, delete those pieces, and then I can click and drag that along so it's at the start. So I've got the clip that I want cutted for where I want it. It isn't a word. So now you right click and we want to go with replace with After Effects composition. We'll click that. What this does is it starts a new After Effects session. I'm going to go green screen. And I'll save it there. So what this does is it imports our footage from Premiere into After Effects. The important thing here is these are both linked. So if I do something here, it affects what happens here. So next thing we want to do is we want to cut out all the area that's not green screen. So the tighter you can do that to the person, the better. So I'm just going to go around with the pen tool. So there's the pen tool over here. As long as you've got the layer selected, you will cut it out. And I'm going to scrub through and just check that Keith doesn't go out at any point. Nope, that's all looking good. So now we need to chroma key out this background. The way we're going to do that is we're going to go to Effects, Key Light 1. It should be down in Key Light, and then Key Light 1.2. You should get this box up. So where it says Screen Color, you want to take the dropper and select your green screen. So that gets rid of the majority of the background. But if we go from here in View, go from View onto Screen Map, you see there's still some graining. So that means if we put something behind it, we can still see a bit of that green screen. Where you fix that is we go to Screen Map, and here where it says Clip Black, I'm just going to grab that number and scroll until I've got rid of all of the green. Basically, you want your person to be fully white and your background to be fully black. So that's looking good. Go back to final results, and I now have my background keyed out. I'm just going to click up here to go back to the Projects tab. If you look over here, it's actually affected our Premiere file as well. You can see Keith is now walking on a black background. So I'm going to go back to After Effects, and now I'm going to bring in the other elements that we need. So I have two pictures of the city here. I'm just going to drag it into the Projects tab. Cities is my background, so I'm going to drag that underneath Keith. I'm going to scale it up until it's the right size. Checking that, yeah, that's good. And cities 2 is going to be my foregrounds element, so I'm going to put it above Keith's level. So it made this sort of to match. Now I'm going to take Keith's layer, just moving behind those buildings. Keith's a giant looking around the city, pointing out stuff. So that is my background screened out and my other images in. So I go back to Premiere now. import this. File, export, media. Sequence settings, add it to queue or just export. And that is everything you need. Key out your green screen and hope you get some great after effects going. Thank you guys, I'll catch you next time.